What's it called, Joe?
Ready, go, go! Ready, go, go!
Joe?
Ready, go!
Right now, Joe, what's it called? Ready, go, go?
Let's see.
Ready, go, go!
Joe, can you say, hello, Grandma Sue?
And this is hello, Grandma Sue! Look what Millie was doing!
Go on, say hello, Grandma Sue again, Millie.
Hello, Grandma Sue! Look what Millie was doing! The end! Kiss, kiss! Heart, heart! Bye now!
No, it's alright, you've got to carry on.
Oh, brush your teeth though with your flashing toothbrush.
Yeah, can...
Here we go, Millie, Joe. Oh, Millie, I can't get it. Look, can you do it? That's it. Go on, brush your teeth. Just do it. Oh dear. Brush your teeth. Little cherub.
Here's my toothbrush, Grandma Sue. Here's my flashing one. Now take it away and don't you follow it. And don't. And my fruit. And don't. My toothbrush follow me. Go away. Go away. Go away. Oh.
Joe, ready, go, go?
Ready. You alright, Millie? No, don't keep doing it, Millie.
Keep doing that until you
Oh.
and then we'll start doing it in real life.
Thanks, darling.
Gradually build up until we reach.
Right, you're going to say bye-bye, Grandma Sue? You're going to say bye-bye,
Bye-bye, Joe.
Joe? You're going to say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.